Hello everyone, my name is Jake Lopez with the Aeromedical Evacuation App Team of Fall 2018. My team members were Cesar Villagarcia and Alvaro De Castro. Our product owners were Bridget Peleaz, Robin Yang, and Ruben Almaguer. And our mentor was Masoud Sajadi. Today I'll be going over how to install the application. The first thing you will need to do is install Node, which you can get from nodejs.org. The next thing you will need is Git in order to clone the repository. For Windows, you can go to git-scm.com, and for Mac, it comes pre-installed. And for Linux, you can check with your distribution package manager. The next thing you will need is Yarn, which you can get from yarnpkg.com. Once you have all of those applications installed, navigate to the Aeromedical Evacuation App repository on the Senior Project Jira Bitbucket. From here, you will click Clone, copy this link, and then simply run git clone in the link. Once that's finished downloading, we will then navigate into the directory, and from here I will run yarn install. Once that's done installing, I will then run yarn start in order to run the application. Once the application is running, you will be presented with this screen, which gives you several options in order to run the application either on a live device or an emulator. Once again, my name is Jake Lopez with the Aeromedical Evacuation App Team, and thank you.